So we got the kite down round number 3. That was a good leg for us. It's now 2 o'clock. We'll borrow a minute or so. Just having a look around the fleet. Very pleased with what we've done there. That fire's gone out, by the way. So we're up with the Super Smacks and the Super Yachts. Don't ask me how. We seem to have absolutely smoked the slower fleet. Don't ask me how. Didn't see most of it. We were messing about with sails for most of it. See the committee boat in the distance. We're not going to lay that, but we'll just tack just before the line and roll over. Thursday of Mersea Week. Absolute cracking weather for this. It's everyone dreams of. Nice little force 4 champagne sailing.